Hello friends. Today I was just exploring the net for few maths tools. I came across this the Teachers Corner. When you type in Google the teacherscorner.net for crossword puzzles, you will find this Teachers Corner, and here we can create our crossword. This is absolutely free. It has a premium version also, but we can frame the crossword absolutely free because few features are less in the free version. So what we do is the first thing, if you see here, is title. So you type the title of the chapter of which you have to frame the crossword. For example, I am framing the crossword for probability. Then you go down to the next section, that is instructions. If you have any instructions for the students, you can write here the instructions, maybe the time limit, or if you are allotting some marks, that can be written. After that, please scroll down and you will find words and clues which you have to fill in these columns. Words, you can see the words, rows are here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and the limit to this is 50. We can add more lines, and maximum 30 lines can be added in the free version, and in premium version it is bit more. So since I'm preparing the crossword for probability, I type first word as 0 and then I have to write the clue of it. So I have written the probability of an event which cannot happen. Then its answer is 0. Similarly, second word I have taken as sure, and the clue to this is if an event is certain to happen, then it is called dash event. Then similarly, I have framed some more words with their clues, and you can mark 30 words here, and once it has been done, then you will directly go to this section. It is asking you use these words to make across, down, or horizontal, vertical. So I have marked here across and down, and then you can see a green color tab which is saying make crossword puzzle. Just click this make crossword puzzle and you would see that your crossword puzzle is ready. This is the question, and since we had chosen uh, this down and up option, so we are having our clues here which the students needs to fill over here. This is the puzzle. As you can see, the green tab, it is puzzle, and this is the answer key. When I click on the answer key, the answers appear, and this is the puzzle. Now when I have to give this to my students while teaching online, I have few options. I can save it as a PDF image. I will create an PDF. This PDF has been created. I will click here to download the PDF. I have clicked this blue button and this will be saved on my desktop, which I can share with my students, maybe on in Google Classrooms, on any WhatsApp medium or any medium that I am having. Similarly, if I click on answer key, I can even create a PDF of answer key and I can share it with the students. So this I found a very easy way to frame a crossword puzzle from any chapter that we want. We again come to the main menu and we see when we are framing our questions, then we also have this tab. This is search tab. For example, I don't clue I have to write when I have written one, so I can even search the clue. It gives many options for the word that we have written. For example, zero, the numerical symbol zero, the identity element for addition. If it is okay, then this can be written. Otherwise, you can write your own hint. So this is all for the day. I hope it is informative and we can very easily create crosswords to share with our students. Thank you.